Community. So today we will discuss about EFS, which is a service on AWS. Sorry for the delay in videos. Yeah, so we must have heard little bit about, or we may have heard somewhere where we have came to know about, maybe from the friends or from anyone, like we can use some system where we can use the file which can be accessed in the different server, right? So that means you can use the file which can be accessed in the different servers or the systems as well. Okay, so that's how the actually EFS works. It is just a service in AWS which AWS provides. So if I show you quickly, yeah, so if you go here and just go to your AWS account, just search for the EFS and EFS will appear. You just have to click on EFS and then you will be able to see the EFS. Anyway, let it load. Maybe my internet is a little bit slow. Yeah, so meanwhile discuss this. So this is EFS. Yeah, it's open. Yeah. So like this, EFS will get open. From here you can directly create the EFS, maybe by giving the name of sample. VPC you don't have to select, just let it be default. This is, I have created one, so that's why it is already chosen here. And this is standard. If I want to customize, I can do it. If you want, you can do it, but I'll just create it and the EFS will get created. Okay, you see here, right? So that's how it is. Okay, this is for the, this all information will be here. You can edit or anything later on. You can attach something. Suppose here it has also given one option, right? Attach. So you, maybe here you can attach your different things, maybe like instance related or anything, whatever you want. Maybe like here it has also given some option, but here we will discuss more about what is EFS, right? So that's how you can create it. Secondly, what is EFS? Now we have to understand this. So moreover, EFS is like a file system, I told you, right? This is yeah. So this will be a file system which can be accessed in the server, different servers as well. Okay. So suppose, yeah, sorry. So suppose this is your file system. Let me reduce this. Yeah. So suppose this is your file. Okay. This is your file system. This is your server 1. This is your server 2. Okay. So now suppose this is your resume. Okay. So now what happens? Suppose this is your linkedin.com and this is your naukri.com. Okay. So now the same resume file you want to use in the LinkedIn and also in the naukri.com, right? So for the same purpose, EFS fulfills, where the same file you can use in the server 1, where suppose your LinkedIn is running, and the second, on the second server where the Naukri is running, the same resume, same file you can use over there as well. So that's how EFS also works. Suppose a network file system called an EFS classifies data into logical file structures. Okay, and data files are grouped in folders and subfolders and saved in a path-based structure. Yeah, which is okay. Like like the path or somewhere like this, there will be path where the file will be stored. And the greatest solution for storage EFS commercial information data on the file server for the application, identifying details. So this is how EFS works. Okay, this is a network file system called as an EFS. So this will be basically a network file system. We call it in general language as an EFS because it's provided by AWS given this name. So take one example, again I have taken here the same way. Let's say you have one notebook, but you have to cover 2 or 3 subjects. So you made the decision to use the notebook. Write the first subject in the beginning, second in the middle, and third at the end. However, you may always have access the subject specific notes, right? So the file can be shared multiple server in manner similar to EFS in order to function the storage and make it always accessible. You got it, right? Suppose again this is the file, this is one server, two server, three server. So this file will be accessible in this server as well, and this server as well. And whenever the server wants to access it, they can access anytime. But also, suppose this server has put a file number 2, suppose this is file number 1, this server has put file number 3, this server has also created one file number 4 maybe. So these all 1, 2, 3, 4, all these files will also be available in all the servers as well. Okay, so that's how it works. Yeah, so yeah, this is pretty much about EFS. Thank you community.